Recently, BMW seriously changed the shifter assemblies in their cars, and so we now have the new type of warning to be scared of: P button not functioning. This warning has two quite common culprits. Either you installed the new style shift knob without observing the proper procedure and disconnecting the 12-volt battery, or the liquid got inside the center console and destroyed the electronics in the shifter assembly. Either way, there is not much you can do on your own, and the dealership will most likely tell you that any liquid damage or any modifications you wanted to make to your car won't be covered by the standard warranty. There are two ways you can choose between in this case. First, if this is actually a liquid damage and you haven't changed anything in the shifter assembly on your own, you should fight with the dealership and get it covered. I spoke to a BMW mechanic who told me that the new style of center console introduced in 2021-2022 model years was quite badly designed, and if you put a hot cup of coffee into the cup holder, the condensation will quickly gather at the bottom of the cup holder and it will gradually go further down the console till it finally gets to one of the circuit boards. So to cut a long story short, BMW knows about this issue, and if you have a dealership diagnostic paper saying that the problem won't be covered, just contact BMW USA and claim that you've never spilled anything and the problem is in the bad design of the center console. Unless they find obvious spillage on the inner parts of the center console, the problem should eventually be covered by the standard warranty. The second way of solving this problem is to take off the center console along with the shifter and send it to one of the companies offering repair. I won't give you any names here, just Google or ask your local independent BMW mechanics to give you contacts of such companies. Fortunately, these shifter circuit boards are repairable, and unless you are covered by the warranty, this is the best way to solve the problem. Also, if you've actually modified something in the shifter assembly on your own and after that you are getting this message, check all the wiring and connectors first. There may be some loose contact or broken wire in the harness that will cause this issue.